It's time for another big music game. You're playing Forbidden Rhythm, and you're all the way up to level 5. You're about to hear the Forbidden Rhythm.
1, 2, ready, listen.
Let's enter the safety zone where you've been granted permission to play the Forbidden Rhythm 3 times. Stay focused.
1, 2, ready, listen.
Repeat after me as we listen and play back a series of hand-clapping rhythms, but don't play the Forbidden Rhythm. Let's listen to that Forbidden Rhythm one last time before we begin.
1, 2, ready, listen.
You got this.
1, 2, ready, listen. 1, 2, ready, listen. One, two, ready, listen. One, two, ready, listen. One, two, ready, listen. One, two, ready, listen.
That's another big music game level completed. Congratulations.